Daisy. Hi. How's my girl?
Oh, I got my ugly old sweater on, Tia.
This is Daisy. Daisy. Oh, goodness.
Oh, she's got hair in her eyes. Oh, there we go.
She's so pretty.
Oh, look at the hair on her face. Mommy's got a vacuum that. Don't film me.
Hi, Matt.
Here's Miss Dakota.
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go? Let's go. Hi. Can I have a kiss?
Should knock the camera.
Hey, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Can you show us? Can we see your teeth? Let's see those big teeth. I guess not.